Hello friends and dear teachers, I am KVS Pranav class 7 section G SVIS Kompally Hyderabad. A summer holiday project title is Forests Are Our Lifeline. This project is based on science lesson Forest Our Lifeline, maths lesson Perimeter and Area, social civics lesson Understanding Media. Now I'm going to cover the details about forest. What is a forest? What Why do we need forest and its benefit? What what if there are no forests? Famous forests across the world and in India. Interesting details about two forests. All area coverage in India. Let us see what is a forest. A forest is a green cover formed over the land with different trees. It is the home for various wild animals like jackal, porcupine, elephant, etc. It is also the home for various birds, insects, and microorganisms. It also contains diverse plants and trees. Why do we need forest? Forests serve as a green lungs and water purify system in the nature. As you can see in this picture, the roots absorbs water into the stem. The leaf takes in carbon dioxide and sunlight and gives out oxygen. The oxygen is used by the humans and give out water vapor. Photosynthesis helps maintaining balance in oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and hence forests are called lungs. Trees take water from their roots and release water vapor into the air, which transpires into clouds and gives us rain. Forests act as a natural absorber of rainwater. The root system of the plants helps water to seep down into the ground, which is turn help maintain the water table. What do forests gives us? Forest gives us oxygen, gum, oil, spices, fodder for animals, medical plants, fuel wood and timber. Wood items that we see in our houses like plywood, boxes, paper, matchsticks, furniture, etc. are some of the products which we get from the forest. As you can see in this table, in the first row, these are the products which we get from the plants, from the forest. And these are the various trees that we get these products. What happens if there are no forest? If we cut down trees, the animals would come to the city. As we got this week that a leopard came to the city. All animals, whether herbivores or carnivores, depend on plants. We can also find many food chains in the forest as shown below. The corn is eaten by the rat, rat is eaten by the owl, the lion eats fox, fox eats rabbit, the rabbit eats carrots. Eagle lives on snake, snake lives on frog, frog lives on grasshopper, grasshopper lives on grass. All food chains are linked. If one of the food chain is disturbed, all other food chains will be affected. Every part of the forest is dependent on others. If we remove one component, say trees, all other components would be affected. Forest helps maintaining the flow of water in the stream so that we get a steady supply of water. If trees are not present, the rain hits the ground directly and may flood the area around it. Heavy rains may also damage the soil. Roots binds the trees Roots of the trees binds the soil together. In their absence, the soil is washed away or eroded. In this image, if there were trees, the soil would never eroded. Now we'll see some famous forests across the world and in India. From these websites, I have gathered the information. Famous forests across the world. Amazon rainforest in South America, Tree forest in Australia, Redwood National Park in US, Mount Everdev Club Forest Reserve in Costa Rica. Famous forest in India. I have totally gathered 10 of them. Gir forest in Gujarat, known for Asiatic lions. Sundarban forest in West Bengal, known for white tiger and Bengal tiger. Khasi Hill in Meghalaya, known for Cherrapunji, where we get the highest rainfall. Kaziranga forest in Assam, known for great one-horned rhinoceros. Arunachal Pradesh forest, known for 5,000 species of plants, 500 different birds, 85 terrestrial mammals, wide number of insects, butterflies and reptiles. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve in Tamil Nadu, known for Nilgiri tahar and lion-tailed macaque. Vandalur Forest Reserve in Tamil Nadu, known for new location for the Madara Zoo. Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, known for Royal Bengal tiger, peacocks and deers. Cable Limjawo National Park in Manipur, known for world's one and only floating park surrounded by water and fishing farm. Kanhan National Park in Madhya Pradesh, known for the inspiration of the famous book, The Jungle Book. Now we'll see some interesting details about the Amazon rainforest. From these websites, I have gathered the information. We will see a short video about the Amazon rainforest published by the World Wildlife Fund. was a wonderful video showing the beauty of the Amazon forest. Thanks to World Wildlife Fund for publishing this. Now we'll see the area of the Amazon forest. The Amazon forest is a vast region that spreads across 8 countries in the South America continent. The 8 countries are Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The landscape contains 1.4 billion acres of dense forests, which is half of the planet's remains tropical forest. 4,100 miles of winding rivers, 2.6 million square miles in the Amazon basin, about 40% of South America. As you can see in this map, the orange part is the Amazon basin, which is about 40% of the Amazon forest. Species can be found in the Amazon forest. 1 in 10 known species on Earth, which means 10% of the world's known species are in this forest. More than half of the world's estimated 10 million species of plants, animals, and insects live in this tropical rainforest. Some of the rare species found in this forest are 40,000 plant species, 3,000 freshwater fish species, more than 370 types of reptiles. You can find macua, jaguar, poison dart frog, black spider monkey, Amazon rain dolphin, sloth. The sloth is the most laziest animal in the world. Other things can be found in the Amazon forest. People. More than 30 million people, including 350 indigenous and ethnic group living in the Amazon and depend on nature for agriculture, clothing, and traditional medicines. Most living in the large urban center by all residents rely on the Amazon's natural bounty for food, shelter, and livelihood. Green cover of Amazon forest. More than 20% of the world's oxygen is produced in the Amazon rainforest. 1/15 of the world's fresh water is in the Amazon basin. It contains 90 to 140 billion megatons of carbon, which helps stabilize local and global climate. Deforestation may release significant amount of this carbon, which could have catastrophic consequences around the world. Now we'll see some interesting details about the Amazon forest. Gir forest in Gujarat in India. From this website, I have gathered the information. Area of Gir forest in Gujarat is the first and one of the largest forest area in the world. In India, situated approximately 65 kilometers northeast of Janagar district, Gujarat. Some part of these forest is maintained by the government as Gir National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary. It covers total area of 1,412 square kilometers, of which 258 square kilometers from the core area of the national park. Species. These forests are the home for rare and endangered Asiatic lions. Besides Africa, Gir Forest is a Gir National Park in Gujarat is only place in the world where you can spot lions roaming free in the wild, and a population of approximately 20 lions in 1913. They have risen to 523 rounding to 2015 census. There are 106 males, 201 females, and 213 sub-adults. Now we'll see the forest area coverage in Telangana and in India. Telangana, as per the Hans India media channel, here is the forest or information of Telangana state as of year 2015-16. Telangana state has a total geographic area of 1,12,077 square kilometers. Forest area is 27,292 square kilometers, which means 24.35% of Telangana's land is covered by forest. If more details, visit this website below. Measures to increase the forest area in Telangana. The Telangana government has launched Harita Haram project in July 2015 with the aim of increasing the green cover in the state every year. We will see the below video clipping of quick information about this project. It was published on December 29, 2016 by ANI News.
Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao on Thursday said that in the wake of environment alarming situation, they have started Telangana Ko Harita Haram program to increase green cover. Elaborating further about the program, he said that it is a flagship of the Telangana government and it envisages increasing the present 24% tree cover into the state to 33% of the total geographical area of the state. He added that the goal is to plant about 230 crore seedlings.
In India, as per this website, as of 2015, India has a forest cover of over 7,06,800 square kilometers, which is 24% of total size of this nation. As per Wikipedia, here is how the forest cover is increased in India since 1990. In 1990, the India's land cover is 5 lakh square kilometers, which is 17% of India's land cover. As of 2010, the Agriculture Organization of UN estimate cover to be 68 million hectares, or 22% of the country's area. The 2013 forest scurvy survey of India state, its forest cover increased to 69.8 million hectares by 2012. In 2018, the total forest and trees covered in India increased to 24.39%, or to 8 lakhs to 2088 square kilometers. India's forest cover grew at 0.2% annually during 1990 to 2000. It has grown at the rate of 0.7% per year during 2000 to 2010. This is the information I have totally gathered. I want to thank to my parents for supporting me and encouraging me to do this project. My younger brother Pratik for giving me time to work on this project. I want to thanks the internet, of course. If any suggestion, please reach me on pranav.kaza@gmail.com. Thank you.